snoring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Yay! Yes. Okay, hold on. We have a special word from Drama Freak 22. 1 second. 1 second. There. Okay, let's talk.
Okay. Hi, I'm Drama Freak 22. You may know me as the Manatee in the new video, whatever Bubbly Blue 889 has made it, okay? I'm the Manatee in there, and I love the little bubble because everyone needs their own personal bubble. Just remember that don't get too close to someone because they will say, I want my personal bubble. I'm just giving you that for a note, and I'm weird. Okay, bye!
Bye! Okay, it's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring.